Welcome to the CyberPower Backup UPS Systems introduction. The backup UPS systems are compact and adopt automatic voltage regulation to provide reliable battery backup for valuable electronics, preventing data loss and hardware damage. With the compact tower form factor design, the backup UPS systems can easily fit into tight spaces, which support loads up to 2000 VA. And the desktop form factor can be installed on the desk with power rating up to 1200 VA. Some models come with mounting slots, allowing wall mount installation. Ideal for home, office, retail store, and healthcare facilities. The UPS provides backup power and protection to keep devices running smoothly. The backup UPS systems feature the patented GreenPower UPS technology, which saves up to 93% of power consumption. With the automatic voltage regulation (AVR) design, the products can stabilize incoming power to deliver consistent and clean AC power without switching to battery. Furthermore, the products are capable of providing pure sine wave power to connected devices requiring active PFC power supply. The user-friendly LCD panel displays clear system information for viewing the status at a glance. Moreover, certain models come with a color LCD panel, which can be tilted upward by 22 degrees, allowing effortless power monitoring and system configurations. Through the USB charging port, the products can charge electronic devices, bringing convenience to users. Featuring data line protection design, the products protect electronics from surges and spikes, traveling along data lines, while providing up to 1 gigabit per second of data transmission speed. By using the PowerPanel power management software, users can perform computer graceful shutdown, manage system configurations, check event logs, and more. Additionally, when installed with CyberPower's remote management card, the products can be remotely managed and monitored through the RM Card web interface or PowerPanel business software. Other main features include user-replaceable batteries for expanding UPS lifespan and ensuring the power system's reliability, generator compatible for power continuity during extended power outages, isolation transformer design for enhanced safety by minimizing current leakage and reducing line noise. The space-saving backup UPS systems consist of various products which provide reliable battery backup and surge protection to safeguard crucial equipment and data, ensuring peace of mind.
Hey, I'm Paul for APC. When the power goes out, we can really feel disconnected. Fortunately, with an APC uninterruptible power supply, you can keep your connection and your devices up and running even when the grid goes down. Example, the APC Backups Pro BX series, a sleek, space-saving version of APC's Backups Pro family. Each model is a compact tower with multiple outlets providing built-in battery backup and surge protection. The BX series is smaller and lighter than ever with easy-to-use features, including a front LCD display to monitor status, voltage, load, and battery charge. Automatic voltage regulation consistently protects connected devices from dangerous power spikes. And PowerShoot software installed on a UPS-equipped PC prevents data corruption by automatically saving files and shutting down your system in an extended power outage. With the BX series from APC, staying online has never been easier. I'm Paul for APC.
The Omni 1500 LCD-T line interactive UPS system is perfect for protecting equipment like servers, storage, point-of-sale systems, workstations, AV equipment, and PCs. It provides reliable battery backup during power failures and protects against surges and line noise around the clock, all in a convenient tower form factor. This energy-efficient 1500 VA UPS includes an advanced feature called Automatic Voltage Regulation, or AVR. During brownouts and other power fluctuations, AVR prevents abnormal voltages from damaging your equipment or causing malfunctions. AVR does this without draining battery power, so your battery will be ready for outages. An intuitive LCD screen shows the status of the UPS and your power line with indicators such as battery runtime and load percentage, so you can see power conditions at a glance. You can adjust the backlight to match your preference. During extended power failures, free Power Alert UPS monitoring software enables graceful, unattended shutdown without data loss. And if you'd like to use your computer to view your UPS system's battery charge or power status, simply connect the UPS to an available USB port. You can also use the tools built into your computer's operating system. If you want a cost-effective UPS with advanced features in a small footprint form factor, order Tripp Lite's Omni 1500 LCD-T.
If you like the video, please click on the like button, write a comment, and subscribe to my channel.